Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to create a poll on your Facebook business page. While Facebook has temporarily removed the native poll feature from desktop due to stability issues, I'll show you a simple workaround using an external tool that works perfectly with Meta Business Suite. Let's get started. First, head over to facebook.com and log into your Facebook business account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Facebook homepage. From here, look at the left navigation menu where you'll typically find your shortcuts. Click on your Facebook business page to access it directly. You'll now be directed to your Facebook business management page. Take a moment to scan the left navigation menu and locate the Meta Business Suite link. This is your central hub for managing all aspects of your business page, including posts, insights, and engagement. Click on it to proceed. A new browser window will open, taking you to your Meta Business Suite dashboard. This is where most of your content management happens. On the left navigation menu, locate the content option and click on it. You'll see a comprehensive list displaying all the content you've posted, scheduled, drafted, and any pending items. Now look at the top right part of your screen and click on the Create Post button to start building your poll. Here's where things get a bit different. Since the native poll feature has been removed from desktop due to instability and is currently only available on mobile, we'll use a workaround. We'll create a poll using an external website and then integrate it seamlessly into your business profile through Meta Business Suite. This method actually gives you more flexibility and control over your poll design. Open a new browser tab and navigate to poll-maker.com, then hit enter. This free tool makes poll creation incredibly simple. Start by typing your poll question in the main field, making sure it's clear and engaging. Then enter all the possible answers in the fields below. The process is pretty straightforward and intuitive. Once you've filled in your question and all answer options, click on Create Poll. On the next page, you'll be presented with a unique link for your newly created poll. This link is what we'll use to share it on your Facebook business page. Go ahead and copy this link, then head back to your Meta Business Suite content page where we started creating our post. Under the Post Details section, look for the three-dot icon, also known as the More Features icon, and click on it. A small window will appear presenting you with several new options for creating your post. These additional features give you more control over how your content appears. From here, click on Link Preview. A link field will appear on your screen. Paste the poll link we just copied from Pollmaker. Wait a moment while the system processes the link and generates a preview. Once the preview headline appears and you can see how your poll will look, click on Save on the right side of your screen. You'll now see a feed preview displaying your poll exactly as it will appear to your audience. Take a moment to review everything and make sure it looks professional and engaging. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, click on Publish at the bottom part of your screen. Your poll is now live on your Facebook business page and your followers can start engaging with it immediately. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.